Miss Steele here. So, from our What's Happening Wednesday with the Share Happiness, the recipe rainbow fruit salad, decided to give it a try. I know, right? So, you aren't going to be able to see the recipe very good because it's on my screen, but I will include it as a PDF sent to you guys. So it calls for strawberries, a cup of cantaloupe, or pineapple, green grapes cut in half, and purple grapes cut in half. That's why it's a fruit salad, all the different colors of the rainbow. And then it needs 1/4 a cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So we're going to mix those together first in this little bitty bowl over here. Or 2 teaspoons. I said tablespoons. Okay, now if we were in class, it'd be a lot cooler because you guys would just get to dump these all in. We're going to dump these all in the big bowl. Ready? Dumping them all in, making a rainbow. Alright, so there's all our fruit all dumped in, making our rainbow. Our honey and our lime juice little mixture. We're going to dump that in, just pour it over the top, and we're going to mix it all together. And that's it. How easy is this? And I know some of you are not big fans of fruit, but you should give it a try because look how bright and colorful and fun it is. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I will include the recipe. We'll send it out to all of you so you guys all have a copy. So if you want to make a rainbow fruit salad and share some happiness, it's in bright colors in your salad,